Hey everyone, thank you for taking the time to look at our guide. We hope you enjoyed it. I really want you to realize though, that you can look at all the information in the world and it's not gonna make the changes for you. So people always ask us, what's my next step? How do I start making changes today? Well, do you really wanna change your life? Are you tired of doing the same thing and getting the same results over and over and over again and not leading you to your goals? Are you finally really ready to commit to a healthy lifestyle? If you are, then it's time to take action. Stop trying things and let us help you to make the changes. We're here to empower you to live your passions and to take control of your financial future. Look, we understand anytime you go and make changes, it's really scary. There's some fear there. Amber and I have both been there, but let's do this together. We're looking to work with a handful of motivated individuals to personally walk you through the steps of creating a healthy lifestyle and a successful income from home. We're gonna show you exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it in order to live your dreams and help empower others. The only thing we need from you, we just need you to be positive, motivated, and just willing to commit a couple of hours a week to change. If this is you, then email us. There are no obligations here. We just want to make sure that we're a good fit for you and you're a great fit for us. So email us and we can find out your needs and see if what we have to offer is a good solution for you. We look forward to hearing from you.